I must be dead or dreaming. Look at that page with my face gleaming. Tomorrow they might put fishes in it. I was a star for one whole minute. Look at me, I'm the king of New York. From Newsies. Have you ever seen Newsies? It's Laura T here. Dream Deals 123 on eBay. Silver Owl Thrifter on YouTube. Newsies with Christian Bale, a young Christian Bale in that musical. Oh, he's fantastic. And that's a great song. Hi, everybody. Just another hip recovery update. It's going very well. I don't... breakfast in bed here. I've got one of these cool... My little doohickey here. Go up. I don't know if you can hear that. It's going up. And the legs can go up. So it's real nice. But I'm not supposed to bend at more than a 90-degree angle. There's lots of precautions they give you. So, but I'm doing well. I'm doing very well. And hopefully, we'll just see how the recovery goes. I don't know, this has been a long time coming, I think. I've been walking with a cane for over 10 years. And I have had no range of motion at all, and I'm hoping that this will correct all of that. But I definitely needed a new hip, and I need another new hip, so it's all good. I think I might need a lot of physical therapy to get walking normal again, just because I've been on a cane for so long, but maybe not. I don't know. I don't really know what to expect. I'm having no pain, a little bit. I think last night was maybe the worst, and it was hardly anything. It was just like after I walked a little bit and did my exercises, I just got in bed, and it was just a little bit of pain. I'm on pain meds and taking aspirin because I guess blood clots can be a problem, so they want your blood to be thinner. I'm doing everything. I had an occupational therapist come over to the house yesterday and check all the equipment. Do I have my grabber? Do I have my shower seat and all of that stuff, which I don't really know if I need, but I'm good. And then a physical therapist is coming. So there's not really too much to talk about. I've been doing some sketching. Let me see if I can show you a sketch. And I'm watching right now these watercolor tutorials, and I did a picture of my cat, Mr. Darcy, and I did a picture of my guitar, and I practiced, these aren't really anything, but practiced a building and an owl. So just really relaxing. There's kind of a luxury to recovering from stuff, and even being sick sometimes. It's like you don't have to do anything. You can just relax and do whatever you want. So I've been napping, and people have been bringing over things, and I've been visiting with people, and my granddaughter and daughter have come over for some visits. So it's been very well. We're handling it fine without my sister, although it would be nice if she's here, but she's going to come in about 10 days. So it'll be really nice to see her. And I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving, and I hope you're having some sales. I'm on time away on eBay, but I have made a couple of sales, and if I feel well enough, I got my bedhead hair here, if I feel well enough, I'll ship them before the date. I think I put myself on a wait time till the 9th or something. I gave myself a lot of time, but I think I can ship them out before then. That's about it. My daughter is helping me. The weather is brisk here, but not too bad. I know some areas of the country are getting some pretty cold weather. I hope you all are okay, and I'll see you in the next one.